Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to enable point of sales in Wix. So for this, first of all, go to wix.com and sign into your account. Now go to your site dashboard and now here in left side, scroll down and go to settings. Once you are in settings, now click on accept payments and from here, go to credit or debit card. Okay, so here in credit and debit card, scroll down and there we have fixed point of sale. Just enable this and now your POS point of sales are enabled in Wix. So this is the easiest way to enable fixed point of sale. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.